is up, Pyros? Sin City Pyro tuning in with a 2020 stash video. I'ma start it. Here we got a case of Forbidden Zone, 9-shot Noab. Here we got some black cans. Got a 6-pack. Now these 6 of the rockets. We got Shell Shock by Red Lantern. We got some little bottle rockets. We got Holy Nishiki, 5-inch Nishiki. Got 4 of those. Got more Shell Shock canisters. So we got 2 cases of those by Red Lantern. Here's the Nishiki. These are the 4-inch. And then we got super hot assortments. Got a case of those. Got 4. And we got Primo assortment by Winda Fireworks. Pretty good assortment. We got the ball shells, the cakes, more mini shells. We got some cakes, some missiles, some Roman candles. Then we got a cake. So I'll do an unboxing on that maybe. Alright, moving on. We got some more shells. G-Force by Winda. 2 6-packs. Then we got Reaper's Doom. 2 more 6-packs. And then Neon Invasion. Another 2 6-packs. These are from last year, and I think that's a Neon Invasion. And some regular boss shells. Then we got the 5-inch Nishiki Blast by Raccoon Fireworks. Got a case of these. Beautiful Nishiki effects. Then we move on to 200 grams. Falcon Rising by Brothers. 16 shots. Pretty nice cake. Then we got Winda Fireworks G-Force. Then over here we got the Panda 6-inch XL. Then we got more artillery shells. These are the 33-gram canisters. They're the good ones. Then back here we got Calavera, Bombas de la Marte, and Ganja Killa 5-inch shells. Here, let me see if I can get them. And right here we got a Barrage mini blaster by Winda. Here it is, 280 shots. We got the Ganjas. Then got the Calaveras. Shoot. These got be like my 2 favorite for 2000 and what was it? 17 or 18? I don't know, but they were freaking loud. Then we got some more black cans. Some zombie shells by Warrior Fireworks. Then got the 1.4G. I saved these because they're really good and they don't make them no more. They discontinued them. Another zombie shell. And then we got some Roman candles here and there by Winda, by Raccoon. I got these for free. They gave them to me. Brothers, American Lancers. He got a Mammoth Smoke. I won that in the spinning thing. Got some more Falcon Rising cakes. I won this one and the little spinning thing too. Thunderstorm by Cutting Edge. Then we got 500-gram cakes. Fantastic Color World by Red Lantern. 24 shots. Then a case of Cherry by Red Lantern, 16 shots. also 500 gram cake. And up here we got CAT scan. We got 2 of them, 27 shots by Alien. And then we got a case of old Ironsides. Brothers Heavyweight, 30 shots. So here it is, my stash. I got more stuff in here. Put it out. We got some Boomer shells, Premium Artillery by Boomer. We got some assortment stuff. Perfect Thrill by World Class. Enjoy by World Class. Fountains. Then we got mini Copperheads. Got 2 of them. Got a Excalibur mortar, Reaper's Doom. Then we got some firecrackers. Oh shit, I never used these. Got some cone fountains right here by Red Apple. Some more little rockets. Ball shells. Oh shoot, look. What are these? Reaper's Doom? Yeah, we got some Reaper's Doom shells. And we got some crackling spinning. Then the next box got all Roman candles. Got some assortment ones, a lot of the crackling ones, some bamboo, some magic blooms, starfighter. Oh wait, so these are all starfighters in the bottom. Most of them, yeah, all of these are all starfighters. That's like 100 and something. 144 fit, but there's like 100 something, I guess. And then in the other box, here you got some Red Apple Festival balls. Let's see how these look. You can see in there the ball shells. Let me fix the light. Here you got some of the spinner ones that go up in the air. Got some sparklers, some snappers. We got a number 100 maximum load and a number 5 by World Class. Then we got some Boomer Festival balls. Then we got more of those. We got some fountains by World Class. Here we got a Cannon Mammoth Smoke by Cannon. Some firecrackers. Little M, maybe, whatever. And we got a red engine. Fire Engine Red, I mean, by Boomer. So yeah. That's about it. So here's a recap of my 2020 stash. There it goes. This is it. Let me get the light over here. I'm tripping. Alright, so here's my stash. Neighbors, get ready, because I'm backing down this year. You know, they better be ready. Let's get it. Shout out to all my subscribers. I'll do a demo for you guys and give you something. Let's do it. 4th of July, let's go.